In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to convert a PDF file into an AutoCAD file. So currently, we are in AutoCAD interface. So what I'll just do is that I'll just type import on my keyboard, click on enter. So once I click on enter, this dialog box appears. So I'll come here and locate where my file, where I saved my file. So in my file, I saved it in document, and so this is the file I want to export. This 3-story structural drawing. So I'll click on it and then click on open. Once I click on open, if you see, it's not just one PDF, so there are many. Yeah, there are many, but currently I just want to import only this. So I'll just click on this one I want to import. If you want to import all of them, that means you have to do it one after the other. You click on this, then click on this, but I just want to import only this. So I'll click on, if you click on this, make sure that you check this, that's join line and arc segment. Also check this, that's convert solid fill to ashes, and also check this apply line with properties. So I'll now click on OK. Then it's loading. If you can see, it is loading. So I'll allow it to load. Once it's finished loading, it will appear here. So we are true, it's true. So look at it, and this is what we are having. So if you can see, I have successfully imported this PDF file into AutoCAD. So, but if you can see, look at the line width is not really showing. So if you want the line width to show, you just type line width. Once you just type line width, look at it, you just click on it and then check this thing, display line width, and then click on OK. So look at it now. Currently, the line width is showing. So this is it, and don't forget to subscribe for more engineering tips.